Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go to the local Acura dealership and we're gonna go out there and help our friends from the Acura Honda Classic and Paint Society. They have restored a very nice Honda. Every single bolt, nut, seal, glass and everything in between has been replaced. I did the wheels already, so I'm gonna do the undercarriage, and then we're gonna do the final polishing on the surface, and then the application of the ceramic coating. So I'm crossing my fingers that this will look stunning. Thank you to these guys for allowing me to be part of the project. So to the dealership we go. Alright, so we made it here. This thing will be revealed in a car show, at a car show in a week's time. And they have done a complete reconstruction on everything you can imagine. Every line, every bushing, every. So this is my second frame up restoration done this year, which is very odd, but that's super cool. I already did the suspension parts, all of that I ceramic coated, did the wheels, looking beautiful. All of that I did already. So today, let me show you a little bit of the front. I've done all of this already. All of that I did underneath here, all of that. I did all of the suspension. So today, we're gonna lower her and we're gonna see the surface, just a quick pass with the Swirl Remover Pro X. And then we are going to ceramic coat her. The wheels I did, they look beautiful, look at that. So super excited. Thank you to the guys for trusting me. And now I'm waiting for them to come here and we go. Super excited. Okay, and it looks like I have a little more work of what I thought. This is nothing, but I see some imperfections and right there, little scuffing marks and whatnot right there. Yeah, so we got work to do. Yeah. Yes, it is. Back bumper, and right here you can see all kinds of funky stuff going on there. I give a light polish to this side, but still you can see. Take this tape off to see what happens. You can clearly see there. Beautiful SI. This side done. Look at that. I haven't put the coating yet. Just the swirl remover. Beautiful. All right, we go. done. Engine bay, outside, inside, glass, wheels, calipers. Beautiful, beautiful. Hard to see 16.6 there. $13,100. Plenty paint, healthy, and that's it. There she is, all done. We're done for today. Until the next time. Check us online, turbowax.com.